he gonna do with the ball? Whee!
I want to put my lollipop down.
There you go.
Did she throw it by her feet?
Yeah. Say thank you, Kate. Thank you, Daniel.
Oh, she's holding on this time. She made it squeeze. She made a duck sound.
She squeezed it to make a sound. She says, "What are you eating?"
A lollipop that the haircut that I could choose my own at the haircut.
Wow. How many did they have to choose from? How many colors were there?
I don't know. I got the red one.
Yum.
And it tastes like a strawberry.
That sounds good.
But the wrapper's purple.